Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, access Settings and scroll down. Then tap on Privacy Protection over here. Now you need to select all permissions at the bottom and tap on one of those device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, microphone. Select an app by tapping on the chosen one, maybe Chrome, and pick the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I click on it and go back, I can start Chrome, just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, select any feature, and look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go into location to access my compass. Now click on See All Compass Permissions at the bottom and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!